Castro live near here?
Yeah, he does. You know what? Let's go bug him.
Okay.
Hey.
Hello.
Hey. We were bored, so we just came here to bug you if you don't mind. Is Qual here?
No, he said he was busy. Y'all need anything?
No, we're just here to be here. Do you have the trail mix with M&Ms?
Bro,
Huh.
I'm fucking bored, nigga.
Nah, for real.
Shit, what you trying to get into?
Where the hell's at?
They ain't here.
What you mean?
I mean, my in-town hoes are out of town.
Man, these hoes get on my nerves.
What else you trying to do?
Man, I'm gonna see what the other niggas is doing.
So you do want to get the matching tattoos?
I don't know. Do you?
I do. I mean, only if you're down though. I don't only if you're comfortable with it. Because I mean, it is like kind of a cover, you know, it's kind of permanent.
Yeah, just a little. Oh, Benji's calling me.
Oh, okay.
Hello?
Luna, what you doing?
Nothing, just chilling with Castro and Marisol.
Okay, so y'all niggas is bored too. We try to figure out what to do because we ain't trying to stay in the house.
Who's that?
It's Benji, even back's bored.
It's one of those days.
One of those days you want to be left alone.
Hey, why don't we go to the beach?
The beach.
Yo, let's go.
Shut up, Benji. Y'all really trying to go?
I mean, I don't see why not.
I can see why, but could be fun.
The niggas have spoken, Luna. We're going to the beach.
Okay, hold up. Just give us like 45 minutes. We got something to do.
Okay, for sure. It'll clear.
Alright, bye.
Wait, what do we have to do before going?
Nothing. I just want to see him, yeah.
Okay.
Oh shit. What do you want?
Beach day, nigga. Pull up.
Right now?
Nah, next week. Right now, nigga.
Not really feeling it. Been working on some assignments and just trying to stay ahead.
Nigga, did I ask for your life story? Bring your ass.
Can we just do it another time?
Yo, nigga, today is not the day. So for once in your life, stop being a fucking nerd and bring your ass to the beach.
Whatever. Fuck. So fucking mean sometimes.
I was not expecting that for you.
Yeah, I kind of regret that.
Bullying him is my thing, nigga.
My fault, bro. I don't know what that home.
Fucking hit me, alright? Come on, niggas, get ready to go to the beach.